Scott from Easy Block Sheds and Steel Structures, and you know me, I'm always waving the flag for Australian-made, genuine Colorbond and BlueScope steel products, and I've got a very special offer for you guys right now. Any shed or kit structure purchased from Easy Blocks will receive a free roof insulation upgrade. Woohoo! That's massive, and it's worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars. If your shed is 50 square meters, 60 square meters, 80 square meters, 100 square meters, it does not matter. We're going to give you free AIRCELL insulation, 100% made in Australia, for the roof of your shed or kit structure. Don't forget, we can do installs for you as well. We can take care of building approvals in New South Wales, Queensland and Victoria. This offer is limited, ends on the 23rd of December, or until we run out. If we run out of it, I'm afraid you're going to miss out. So don't miss out. Get on it now and order your Easy Block shed and steel structure. We want to give you free insulation in your roof. 100% Australian made, Easy Block sheds and steel structures.